Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video, mainly because of this COVID-19 crap. So I've been wanting to make one on the club car OBCs, or onboard computers. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and it's kind of technical, so I might have to break this up into two different videos in case people are not interested in the technical part of it. But the first thing I wanted to tell you was all the club car 48 volt golf carts from the late 90s, probably 95, 96 if I remember right, up until 2014, the 48 volt club cars had these OBCs on them, or the onboard computers. And we have issues with them. They go out. When they do go out, you either have to replace them or you can bypass them. But right now I wanted to show you, first of all, let me turn the camera around, if I can do this on the fly. Oh yeah, yes I did. I wanted to show you what the computer looks like. This is what the computer looks like. It's this little box, gray plastic box with a hole in it, and your main negative ground wire goes through it. I've got, I think, 3 of them here. This one is off of an 09 DS, as you can see. These 2 here are off of a Precedence. But if you look at them physically, they look exactly the same. The only difference, you see these colored labels, are versions. You'll see, like this pink one here, this one says version 3. Now, if you ever have to replace this thing, these are made by Lester, but there's a part number right up here. You see that where it says PN for part number? That's one number you need? Or the club card number is down here, the one that starts with 10, in this case 3. But those are the 2 numbers. The version, anytime you want to, the newer version, the higher the number, the better. Some of these are way back to 1 point something version. And matter of fact, like this yellow one is version 5.5. This one is version 6. See the AM, this is the club card number, AM for aftermarket, 129 blah blah blah. And this part number up here. Same with this. You get a part number up here, and whatever the club card number is, 104 blah blah blah. So anyway, that's what the computer looks like. This is the front of it. This is the back of it. Okay? And I'm going to show you now where to find these on your cart. If you have a DS cart, let me see if I can do this. It's awful dark in here. And the DS cart, it's way tucked up underneath here. I'm going to rotate the camera and see if we can see it. There it is. Crap. There it is. See it down there? You see the pink label, and that's in the back of the batteries. And the main ground cable comes through that hole and comes over to your main ground wire right there. So in a DS, that's where it's mounted. The club cars, you got a couple choices depending on where the electronics. Let's see this one. Okay, the older club cars like 04 has the electronics in the middle of the batteries. See that compartment? So the OBC is located, you got to pull that cover, 10mm screw. That plastic cover comes straight up, and you'll find the OBC and your controller and everything down in there. Then in the newer ones, the newer Precedents, they started putting them in the back instead of the middle. Let's see if I have one here. Yes. Okay, let me back up. Here's a battery compartment. And see, they put the electronics in the back behind that metal plate, and that's the OBC you see straight down. That's it right there. That's the top of it. So in that case, you need to take these 2 center batteries out take out this one black screw here, and this metal plate will be accessible. So to make it a little easier, I have well, this is the newer ones. On 2014, they removed the OBC. They quit putting them in. So this is a newer one. This is a late 2013, but this is where the computer would have been, in this spot. So that's where they are. There's 3 places. On the DS, you know where they are. On the 2 locations on the Club Car Precedence, you know what they are. And now you know what they look like. So I'm going to go through and show you how to troubleshoot these. I'm going to show you how to bypass them. And I'm going to get technical and tell you what all these wires go to. But just wanted to start off with that, and I'll get back to you with some more information on that. Okay, I'm going to end this video here. This first video, the main reason I made it was to show you the location of the computers on the club cars, the onboard computers or the OBCs. I need to stop it here because I'm going to make 2 more videos. The next one I'm going to show you how to bypass your computer if it goes bad, and then I'll make another video showing you where each wire that goes or comes out of the OBC goes to. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope this helped you find the location of the OBC on your club car, and subscribe to my channel, please. Send me questions. You can text me, email me, whatever works for you, and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you.